Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games that crash when alt-tabbing. Let's begin. So you were playing this game a lot and you just got this issue of the game crashing when you try to alt-tab. What you need to do first is open Steam client, go to library, select that particular game. Let's just say Palworld. Right click, properties, installed files, click on verify integrity. This will scan your game files and see if there were any game files that are missing, corrupted, or installed incorrectly. Once done, it will actually tell you what happened if there are any files that needs to be reinstalled. Steam will actually automatically do this for you. And it will show in here how long it might take under the purchase button. But once done, you can restart Steam and everything should now be working. That's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.